paneer. Yum! I'm sure many of you love this side dish to rotis, chapatis. But the thing is, my daughter loves it along with rice. And that's how this recipe was born. And I make a very simple yet yummy palak paneer rice for her. And today I'm going to share this recipe with all of you. So easy to make, moist and yummy, mildly spicy and so delicious. A must try. So I've got all my ingredients ready. So this is spinach, carrot and peas, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste I've taken, and this is whole spices. This is optional to add this. So if you're making for small children, I would suggest you grind it into a powder and then add it. And onion, some turmeric powder, this is garam masala, Kashmiri chili powder. Now all our ingredients are ready. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to puree the spinach. So I've chopped and washed the spinach. This is raw spinach. I'm adding just little water and I'm grinding it to a smooth paste. Now that is also ready. The tip there is, if you want, you can also add a bunch of mint leaves while grinding the spinach. Now to a kadai, I'm adding ghee. If you want, you can add butter also. It will taste yum. So this is bay leaves. Then comes the whole spices, cardamom, cinnamon, clove and fennel seeds. I've also added little pepper, but this is absolutely optional. Please skip it if you don't like these spices coming in your mouth, especially for children, or grind and add it, powder and add it. But I'm going to suggest that you can skip this if you're making for small children. Instead, I'm sharing a tip in the end of the video. So do keep watching. Now next, I'm adding ginger garlic paste. This is store-bought ginger garlic paste. You can also freshly crush ginger and garlic in a mortar and pestle. Just for convenience, I am using this. So now all of you can try this recipe. So simple and easy to make and ready in a jiffy. And spinach is so good for health. Next, I'm adding sliced onions. Taken one large onion. Fry this well for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, I'm adding turmeric powder. This is optional again. Next, add Kashmiri chili powder. This you adjust according to the spice levels you prefer. Next, salt. Now we are going to mix this well. So the onion is well fried in the spices. Now I'm adding carrot and peas. This is again optional, but I like to add a little color to my palak paneer rice. So I'm taking advantage here so that I can feed my family more vegetables. This you can add vegetables of your choice, but carrot and peas really complements the rice. You can also add half beetroot. That will also taste amazing. Now it's lightly fried. Now I'm adding the pureed palak. Like I said, you can add mint leaves also while grinding. Make sure that you're not adding too much of water while grinding spinach. Just a little water. Another tip for you, this will take 7 to 8 minutes for the spinach to cook. If you're in a hurry, what you can do is just soak spinach in hot water for 5 minutes. Drain the excess water and then grind the spinach and then add that puree to the carrot and peas mixture. So we are going to cook it till that excess water is absorbed. It is still moist. So to make the palak paneer rice even more yummy, I am adding ghee. Of course, this is optional. Then I am going to add garam masala. So I shared in the beginning that I am going to share a tip. So the thing is, you need not add the whole spices in the beginning. You can skip that and add garam masala at this stage. That makes the palak paneer rice irresistible and yummy even for children. Now I'm going to add fresh cubed paneer. Now for vegans, you can add tofu, and instead of ghee, you can use oil of your choice, any oil of your choice. So I'm mixing the paneer for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame and I'm switching off. Now in parallel, what I had done is I have cooked basmati rice. So cook it in such a way that it is non-sticky and it's long, just the way you cook for your pulao. I also added some salt and cooked the rice. Now is the mixing part, so you need not do it in the gas stove. You can allow it to cool for a few seconds and then add hot rice. Now since I'm taking the video, I'm mixing it when it's so hot. Both the rice and the palak is very hot. So I'm going to gently mix it. So I've added just half the amount of rice and gently mix it so that it doesn't break the rice. So very delicately mix it. You can see how the palak is not dry, it's still moist. So that makes the rice special. Now I'm adding the balanced rice. Now there are two ways to do this. One, you can just spread the remaining rice on top and then you can just leave it for a few seconds and then garnish and serve it like a pulao. Or you can mix it completely the way I'm mixing it right now. And then serve it. See how gorgeous it looks. Fresh spinach makes it so yummy. Definitely try this for your family. They will love it. And look at those carrot pieces. And finally, I'm garnishing with cashew nuts. So a super healthy and super tasty palak paneer rice is now ready to be served. This is good as is, it doesn't require any raita, so I am serving it with some save and papad, microwave papad and some curd. Do try and share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking. Comment and subscribe to Master Chef Mom. Also share this video with all your friends and family. See you. Bye.